Hey, greetings from D-Lab, everybody. I received this box in the mail, which was shipped through eBay. The item in this box measures approximately 19 by 15 by 11. The box itself is 22 by 14 and a half by 12 and 7/8. 14 and a half being the width. The sides are pushed out because that 15-inch item didn't have enough room to go in this box. So unfortunately, that means there's little to no packing. That's why I thought it'd be fun to open it up and you can all see what I see. Alright, I got the top open. Pretty classic eBay packing. Use up those free bubble wrap postal envelopes. And I see the top of the unit. I'm going to put it on its side and pull it out because it's pretty heavy. Alright, I was able to get postal bubble wrappers out of my way. Here she comes. I'm shocked that this thing is just not crushed the way it was packed. So far, I see no damage. Absolutely amazing. So we've got a National 300 receiver here. A fellow bought it on eBay. Had it shipped to me. Look at there. None of the knobs are crushed. Main tuning is not dragging. Absolutely amazing. There's some paper and more little postal envelopes inside. The calibrator is still plugged in. Without that paper, that thing would have been a massive projectile. Here's a close-up of the front panel. There is a dent here where the leg is, so it may have taken an impact. Tuning dial is operating smooth. The only thing I notice is that the band change, it's trying, but it is slipping. So I'm going to have to investigate that. Hopefully it's just a loose cord. It's obviously not broken, but that is not operating properly. Next thing I need to do is bring this thing up slowly on a variac and hopefully it powers. Here's the insides of the NC300. It does have the original calibrator, which is nice. Also has the 4H4C regulator tube, which is normally missing. Chassis looks good and clean. I sure hope that this guy got lucky and this thing operates. Here's the back side of the NC300. Good to see all the screws are installed. It was missing the fuse holder cap and fuse. I checked the eBay ad and it was there, and this thing was on in that ad, so I'm assuming maybe it's in the box or it fell off when he was packing it. Well, good news. The NC300 fired up. I've got it on my favorite band, which is 27 megahertz, because that's usually the only band that's open, it seems.
Hey, crazy,
there we go.
No doubt about it, crazy. Good morning, crazy. Yeah, well, I talked to you too, come, Bill. Crazy, Dr. Soul on the same pile as right bag. Come here.
Well, that's really good news for this poorly packed NC300. There's still some work to be done, but it's clean. It looks like it's going to be a great radio to get going again.